It's semi-final time here in Santiago in Chile of the FIH Hockey Nations Cup, and we start off with what can only promise to be a humdinger. It's Ireland taking on USA for a place in the final. USA, the debutants. Ireland, well, maybe the favourites in this tournament. Runners-up last time out. Michaela Powell with 2 goals to her name is the highest goal scorer for Ireland. USA also have a 2-goal goal scorer in Madeleine Zimmer. Ireland haven't been breached. 3 perfect games. Now that win in 3-1 win there was in 2018, 7 years ago at the FIH Hockey World Cup. 7 years since they last played. Golini's and Hawkshaw's teams match up again. Let's hear what the coaches had to say before this game.
How do you prepare this match with USA? It's a strong team.
Yeah, I think like both teams know each other very well, so we'll just concentrate on ourselves, and we're very much looking forward to the game.
Another win.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, you can't control history, so you can't change what happened in the last game. There was some really good stuff about our attacking play. Our defensive play wasn't great, so we've been focusing on improving that part of our game. But like, there's a big difference between pool phase and must-win games, and today's a must-win game. So we want to come out and go and grab that opportunity to make the final and play really positively.
It was a good Nations Cup for your team.
Yeah, but you're judged on where you finish rather than on the performances. So I want to keep growing on the performances, build on the good, and keep making more and longer periods of the good attacking stuff, the fast play that we like to play, the aggressive defending, but then we need to be smarter in defence. I think Chile had 10 circle entries, won 4 corners, and they scored 3 of the ones they had, and normally that's the strength of ours, so we need to be better in that area today because Ireland have got some good threats.
Well, 7 years ago when they met at the World Cup, Amanda Golini was there for USA. Katie Mullen was there for Ireland, 2 of them. A couple of others around that were still there, but they renew a rivalry that's waited 7 years to lock horns again. So the umpires for this game, Cassidy Gallagher from Australia, Stephen Bucker from Netherlands, Victoria Pazos is the reserve, and Federico Silva is the video umpire from Argentina. Well, the waiting is over. Here come our teams, and they are going to be led out by their captain for Ireland, who's Sarah Hawkshaw, and for tonight, Alex Campbell. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you have missed what's happened in the first few moments, just technology glitch in the system. It is the USA who lead. They scored the first goal of the tournament so far against Ireland. And Alex Hamill Éire in the middle of the park saw Madeleine Zimmer run onto the ball, run through and fire it in past McFerrin in goals. And that, of course, made it 1-0. Currently serving a yellow card suspension, USA. As they hold, the yellow card is almost concluded. And so Ireland look for a way back into the game. The first quarter, almost passing us by. Chance, and there's a goal! Well, there's going to be an umpire's referral immediately here. Let's have a look at how this plays out. Great finish from Michaela Power. The question is, what is the question you're reading? Power could have a third goal and move to the top of the standings alongside Maddie Zimmer here. Well, she doesn't. The goal is disallowed. Yeah, I don't have an audio feed from them. I'll just find out the exact decision there. Well, the first quarter has passed, ladies and gents, and it is a 1-0 lead for USA. Ireland thought they had found an equaliser there. Late on from Michaela Power. It has been ruled out. Just asked the umpiring team to just confirm what the decision was. As I don't have comms there, couldn't hear the decision being made. However, this is the story of the first quarter for those that obviously missed the opportunities. That ball that came across to Sarah Torrance, the chance that was, it was an important touch. The keeper to just take it away. And then over here, Hamill, a little bit of a dawdle, tried to play a back pass, picked up by Madeleine Zimmer, ran in, and the execution of the finish was sublime. Bottom left-hand corner, and no fault in that. Perry drove the ball in, and Katie Mullen dived to get a touch on it. Did get a touch, but needed more finesse. Sorry, Michaela Power. Michaela Power also put it in the back of the net right at the end of the half, but it was disallowed. And well, it is 1-0 after the first break. Apologies for any transmission disconnection, but we are back with you now, and we'll take you through. Now, this is a semi-final. Of course, the winner of this plays in the final. The winner of the final, of course, has the right to participate in the FIH Pro League in 2025-26, as they would move up, and the team at the bottom from there would drop down into the Nations Cup. For the other teams, of course, they'd still play for a bronze medal tomorrow if they lost, but when you're in the semi-finals, your ambition is not a bronze medal. Your ambition is the title. What a great venue this is. And, of course, we are coming back to Santiago in December for the FIH Junior Women's World Cup. 24 nations from around the world coming together, taking each other on and seeing who can claim the crown of the greatest junior nation in the world. Well, we're back for the second quarter of this game. It is USA in red who lead by a goal to 0. That goal scored by Madeleine Zimmer. They did get a yellow card in that half. But it has, just trying to see in the back there if it has reached its conclusion just yet. Tries to take that quick and loses it. Ireland training, Ireland conceding for the first time in the tournament. Looking to turn defence into attack. Shoulder. Had a wonderful tournament so far, Meredith Shoulder. Mm, 60th Test cap, Meredith. Good running here from Ireland plays it up, but the pass not into the run of Michaela Power. She showed in her finish those indoor hockey skills in the disallowed goal. Really has a good eye for the back of the net. Actually in Mahonga in South Africa for the Inkosi Cup in December. Representing Ireland there. Driven in, that ball's come across. Very good counter defense, back defense there from who else but Madeleine Zimmer. He's having a wonderful game. This is the first time in her career she is facing Ireland in an international game. Age group levels, but never a senior game. Katie Mullen will have a shot. Put the back stick there, just a little bit. Right, it's Michaela Power, apologies. Emil plays it out. Bit of a push there, still a torrent. Plays it across here to long-time teammate Hannah McLaughlin. Ball driven in, it's off of a... Now we're just going to have a conversation here for Reece Dariano. Against Naomi Carroll there. For Ireland. Goalkeeper not 5. Jennifer Rizzo in goals. The second penalty corner of the game for Ireland. And McLaughlin at the one cast. So Upton at the other. It goes to McLaughlin, who slips it for Upton. A little bit deflected in. And it's well dealt with by USA. Very quick. Fires it up. There's a green card here. Charlotte Biggs received the green card. Let's free it out to Ireland. Two balls on the field there. Dave Passmore watching on. Running here from Ireland. Ireland having lots of possession, lots of toil so far, not yet to manage to breach the USA defence. Last couple of tournaments, what you felt from Ireland is defensively they can answer pretty much most questions. Teams will concede goals, but offensively sometimes they need a little bit of ingenuity, a little bit of creativity, a little bit of something different, a little bit of that spark. Katie Miller and Sarah Torrance, they're all capable of it. Just as a team, they don't always bring the greatest attacking outputs. Really, really built on a superb offensive base. And in the final, I was on commentary at Terrassa for the FIH Nations Cup final against Spain. And it was much over the same thing. A really good match for Spain, but Spain just had little weapons in front of goal. It's a usage of their weapons rather. Let's see, just by the general fact that they've won 3 out of 3, but only scored 6 goals in the tournament. They did lose to Chile in a bit of a surprise, have scored 8 goals in the tournament so far. With a chance, instinctive shot. Good turn inside. See the goals there. Upton. Looking for the ball in. It's a touch. Carey gets there first, turns and shoots it across. Carroll there. And wins the penalty corner. It's number 3 for Ireland. There's been 3 for USA. skills shown by Naomi Carroll in the middle. Chance, shot, save. Another penalty corner. Rizzo answering the questions so far. Lifted, it's popped around and Kerry tries to have a shot. And it's a penalty stroke that is awarded. Doesn't seem to be much argument. Must have struck the player on the baseline there. Ocean Upton will walk up to take this. Upton versus Rizzo for parity. Yeah. Crystal clear. Keeping the keeper going in. And it's 1-1 here in Santiago. Ireland restore parity with a bullet of a flick from Upton. Left, no chance for Rizzo. A straightforward, easy penalty stroke decision. Perfect execution from Upton. Going with the extra step that most have incorporated in the game. Just taking it route one into the back of the net. Now Ireland have the sting between their teeth, the bit between their teeth, and win another penalty corner. It's penalty corner number 5. Expanded FIH Junior Wood Cup, having hosted the non-expanded previous one in 2023, where Netherlands defended their crown. Turn, it's good flick, it's up. Well, USA were about to refer that. I think the ball has gone up. So here's a chance. It's saved by the keeper. It bobbles up. Keeley gets there, creates danger into her own player. Who's what Becca is saying. Silva is the man who will have to define this. Count for USA. Let's have a look at this play again when we get the opportunity. There we go. The shot comes in from Upton. It's saved. A route that hit from Keeley towards Torrance is danger. Advantage played there. Yeah. Into an player. It's one of those where so much is happening, but glad the right decision gets made. Breakdown of the play there from Ireland, and it's brilliantly stolen by Zimmer. To keep it though. Here's the goal again. Beautiful flick from Upton into the back of the net. Yeah, as soon as she hit that, that was a goal. And look at that. She is pumped at the equalizer. So now, want to re-establish that lead. I also know that this Irish team is not easy to breach. There as the ball was lifted in. Well, an eventful game so far. There's Adams taking it down and showing some nice area skills. So let's pull up the left hand side, and he tries to play a leading pass, and it is picked up. Starting from here. Chorn. Carroll turns and shapes and turns again. And the pressure here plays it up beautifully. Carey drives inside into the circle, cuts the baseline, gets a shot away. Made from Rizzo. That was lovely hockey from Naomi Carroll up the right-hand side. Made it shoulder. He will win a free hit. It over. The page doesn't wait to find out what the decision is, runs quickly. Looks to try and get it forward. Absolutely crazy ball straight to a group of players. Adams up the left-hand side. Touch a little bit heavy, but kept in by Dariana. Tries to drive it in, but finds the foot. Plays it back, but it's saved. Good running by Carey. Great steal by Skunderbeck. And that stops any sort of attack building. USA scored first in this game, scoring through Madeline Zimmer in the very first quarter. Made it 1-0. First player to get a goal past McFerrin in this tournament. But Ireland have pulled one back, getting a penalty stroke after a goal-bound effort struck the body of a defender on the line. Upton stepped up and fired it into the roof of the net and restored parity. And what is this all about? The top 9 teams play in the FIH Pro League. The next 8 in the FIH Hockey Nations Cup. And then underneath that, the next 8 is Nations Cup 2. As the ladder continues to add to its rungs and build its global figure. This tournament is the middle one of the 3. The top 4 teams in the semi-finals tonight are competing for a right to a place in the final. The winner of that gets promoted to the FIH Pro League, much like India and Spain did from the previous 2 editions. And for USA, it's a chance to bounce straight back into an FIH Pro League that they played in a couple of seasons already. Well, they'll have to get an extra goal in this game and take lead, but at the half-time break, as we take a short interval, it is Ireland 1, USA 1. Welcome back to the second half of the FIH Hockey Nations Cup semi-final. It's Ireland in green, 1 goal. USA in red, 1 goal. As we have 30 minutes to separate the two teams and see if we can find a winner in this game. Madeleine Zimmer getting USA's goal in the first quarter. Fifth career goal, and she has now scored in 3 games in a row. For a player who didn't have many goals before this tournament. One of the top goal scorers in the tournament now with 3. It was Upton getting her goal from the penalty stroke. And that's one through the middle. Meredith's shoulder turns defence into attack. Fires it up the left for Sunfest. Plays it down. There's a good 1-2 there, but picked up by McLaughlin. Touch up there, but just unable to connect between Sunfest and Galini. Ireland almost scored in the first half through Michaela Power. They did eventually score through Upton. I almost thought they had another. This is a chance now. Hawkshaw. The ball that leaves it, then straight away USA try and build up the other side. Decided to, instead of going forward there, just go back and build up again. Ball up the left-hand side to Debradine. Kraus, who did get a yellow card in the first half. Good ball possession and movement. Here's the goal scorer, Zimmer. Drives inside the circle. An advantage is played. And wins herself a penalty corner. You have a feeling that Ferrin is going to refer this. Does immediately. The decision came straight away, and there is an obstruction. It was the line that Zimmer was running. McFerrin knew that straight away and made sure she got there. I mean, she wasn't even standing up and she had already referred it. As McFerrin gets it right once again. Ball given there to Shoulder, who doesn't control it. Mullen benefits from it. Lovely ball up the left-hand side here. Sarah Torrance drives inside. Will have a shot from a tight angle, but fires it wide. Rizzo would be pleased to see that go past the outside of the post. Power. Well, Power did stick out, hoping for a touch there. Wasn't quite able to find one though. USA now through the middle. Lovely ball. Oh, there's some space here. Dariana with the shot. She's not finding the perfect connection. Just getting the underside of her stick. Disappointed there. Not with anyone but herself. Sets herself some high expectations. She'll turn. She beat the player, but unable to keep it in. USA ball. The Page goes to Krause, who plays it backwards. McLaughlin will play this. Gets into the circle. Mullen will shape for a shot, finds it straight at Rizzo. Finds a follow-up shot. Goes out, and Sarah Torrance pointing for a foot, but not calling for a referral. The player that loses one for the team. Here's a chance for Adams. Gets there first. Little bit of space. Ariana gets inside. Good tackle there from McCauley. There's Curry. They're giving the ball away. Page. Firing in here from the right-hand side is USA. McLaughlin happy to take time here. Oh. Taken down there by Mullen. Pass to Torrance and sees the ball get given away. Page. Then Beck puts it out wide to Krause. Again, USA showing good patience here, waiting for the opportunity. Nice diagonal ball through the middle, picking up Coles. He just switches it to the right, and here's LePage. Ball and a free hit just outside. Nothing wrong with McCauley's tackle. The first one catching a stick. Inside, trying to find the foot, but do so with force, and Sarah Torrance stands up to it. The Page losing on that occasion. Oh, brilliant there from saying it was Gladu to get round. And then, of course, Dariana getting in that tight angle and not quite having the proficiency on that occasion to find a shot from that angle. Carroll. Carroll again in the middle. USA now, who turned defence into attack with Zimmer. The big run from Zimmer, good ball through. And there's going to be a card here. And it's a green card for breakdown of play there. There's Macaulay. That's gone all the way back. There was a strangely dead bounce. There is Macaulay. So Macaulay. USA winning in the middle again. Driving. Looking for the ball across to the back post. Cole's doing good work there the first occasion, not so good on the second. Just gave Hamill a get out of jail card there, and she took it quite happily. Do not cross go, do not collect $200. A powerful ball. Chance for Ireland here. The overlap on the left and not controlled, the ball goes out. Kerry would have been licking her lips at that first little bit of space in this half. Both teams playing with a proper semi-final feel right now. Neither side wanting to lose it and not risking too much to go and win it up front. Looking in. Looking in. Scratching here. Here's Zimmer on the right, tries to pull back, McLaughlin reads it and breaks out herself. McLaughlin needs a free hit, shoulder just lets it go. Green card, of course, has expired. That ball's popped up into the face of Zimmer, and I think it's actually popped up off her own stick. Yeah, oh, didn't hit her face. Oh, that could have hurt on the fall. No ill spirit in it. Dave Passmore. Either drawing up some tactics or solving a Sudoku puzzle. I think it's probably tactics. But if it was Sudoku, it's definitely a 7 in the bottom left-hand corner. It's always a 7. Carey might agree with me. Carey, number 7 for Ireland. Just couldn't quite connect there. 2.5 minutes remain in this third quarter. It's a game in which is balancing on a knife's edge right now to bring in a traditional cliche. Adams, who does win the ball there, but wins it by tackling through the stick. Lachlan tries to throw a big one, catches it in the loop a little bit. controlled, it goes out, and ready for Ireland again. Good running here. Chance inside the circle. Oh, there's a shot, and it's almost slow motion. The shot didn't get a proper connection. And it's saved by Rizzo, but up into the leg of, it was Keeley in the back post. Injection. Change of channel there. McLaughlin has come back to Upton. Oh, that's a fantastic save. Instinctive stuff there from Rizzo. Only 2 balls just on the turf. Into the middle for Hawkshaw. Not fully at her influential best as always in this game. Oh, lovely touch from Mullen. Has created a chance. He's bowled through and it's a goal! Oh, for Ireland. Moments of magic from mystical Mullen. That first touch and then the second create the space. She runs through. It's a diluted celebration. She goes straight away to Lena Neal and says, that's on you. But that's all on the creation and work. And May got a final touch off of Adam's foot. Or rather, Krause's foot. But the work was done and Mullen gets the goal. The first of the tournament. Big games need big players in big moments. And it's hard to argue that there is a bigger name, bigger moment player for Ireland than Mullen. Mullen with the goal, and Ireland now lead in this game 2-1, and USA, well, they've still got a quarter to go, but they know that this Irish defence is tough to penetrate. Page gives the ball away. Ireland will also revert to a technically proficient performance where they control the tempo, they move the ball a lot. And Matthias, whose lovely ball that was to Mullen. But it was all about the receive. The touch on the receive, changing the angle, was pivotal in that move. That gave her the extra meter of space in the circle, allowed the extra step, which allowed her to place it underneath Rizzo into the back of the net. Ireland 2, USA 1. And we're about 15 minutes away from knowing if Ireland's perfect record stays intact and if they are qualifying for their second FIH Hockey Nations Cup final in a row. A year ago, they qualified for the final against the host Spain, but fell short in that one. Oh, 15 minutes remain. There's Lena Neal. She'll get the plaudits for that pass. But Katie Mullen, as you see her name on the score sheet there, has helped turn a 1-0 deficit into a 2-1 lead. And here's how they did it. Well, they first almost gave a chance away. Mullen reacted first, got it to Torrance, who had the shot. Power was looking for the touch. Oh, the symbolism which you start to see as this was a second goal. In these tournaments, we've seen Korea lose 2 games 5-4 and with the exact same scoring flow. for the game. Ireland in a semi-final, going 1-0 down, as they did 12 months ago. Pulling level and now leading 2-1, as they did 12 months ago. Reminder, our final semi-final of the day will be the hosts Chile taking on New Zealand. A repeat of the 2024 bronze medal match, where Chile came out on top. Salas and Flores getting their goals. Late consolation for New Zealand in a 2-1 result. The game, of course, was also the farewell for Amoros, the coach, Diego, and a few of their players. Well, 15 minutes remain. The crowd starts to fill up. Diego Amoroso, who hung up his coaching board last time out. It was also Camila Caram, the captain in that tournament at that time, the legend who walked away. The goalkeeper was not part of it. Neither is Salas. So it's a slightly different Chilean side, but one very, very experienced. New Zealand, a lot of the same players, of course, Samantha Child, Francis Davis, two experienced campaigners, no longer in the international fold, having called time on their careers. Well, that's what's coming up. That's the next semi-final, the last game of the day. As you see, the crowd really starts to fill up to back their home team here. What a way to spend your Saturday night, watching the great game of hockey at your hometown and trying to spur your team on for a game against New Zealand, which promises to be tough. Well, 15 minutes remain. Ireland in control, well, at least in the lead. USA will throw as much caution as they can to the wind, as there's an early free hit. Puts her body on the line. Getting inside, the ball comes across. Ireland not clearing it, and it comes back. Zimmer drives inside to the baseline, looks the pullback, finds the foot, and it's a penalty corner for USA. Doriana on the left and Zimmer on the right are really looking to exploit the gaps on the baseline. Farron, really focused. Well, McFerrin, or rather Zimmer, just pulled that back and found the foot of Upton. USA's fourth penalty corner. 6 for Ireland. Ireland also had the penalty strike. Ejection is there, the shot looking for the deflection, but Upton answers the call, says, I gave away the penalty corner, I'm going to go and make sure I keep it out. Golga runs hard there, but runs out of space. Has had a very good tournament, arguably alongside Manlang Zana, the two standout players for USA so far in the tournament. Of course, they won't care about individual plaudits right now. So Yorkshire tries to feed Malin. McKinnon is the Irish assistant coach. He's the man on the bench. Going to be up in the stands communicating. You see different coaching combinations. Shane McLeod and Michelle Otten for Belgium do the same, or did the same. McLeod would often go stand up the stands, or Otten would be in the stands, and yeah. Robin Rausch with Austria did it at the Indoor World Cup. Let Robert Tigges be on the bench. There's Karen driving inside, and a penalty corner is awarded. Umpire Kirsten Carragher. I think she was pointing at shoulder, Merida's shoulder, or may have been Deborah Dean there. Yeah, it was Deborah Dean there. Not the tackle from shoulder. Yeah, not at shoulder there. She was pointing at Deborah Dean. Have a referral here. Team referral. Chile has just arrived in the venue. Yeah, cheer. We have a decision coming out here from Frederica Silva. Well, Ireland have lost their referral. They were asking there for the penalty corner. Great running here from USA up the left-hand side. Coles on the ball, looking to drive into the baseline. The tackle comes, but the shielding is there. Upton again answers the call. Coles just injecting a little bit of pace there that was a bit more difficult for the Irish to stay with. Plays it back, still patience. There's time here for USA. Just need to work those opportunities to earn the right when they come. Hope to be dialed in and take them. Again, sometimes cuts quite a almost a forlorn figure. There's a goes on mazy little runs by herself. Ding straight into a group of players again. You've always got to make sure you're peeling off the back, giving yourself a clear 5 when you are the target player for those little overheads into the circle. Oh, Upton goes a little bit of a sail there, sail down the river. So it's on one way, went the other. And it's showing all her experience there. Just casually ask the umpire, where must I take it? Thank you very much, Mr. Umpire. Lower the wrath of them for you taking time. There's a big collision there between Adams. Torrance. It wasn't, it was Macaulay. Glad it's nothing too serious. As we into the final 10 minutes of this first semi-final. Oh, that is a big collision, and well, this could be a card. And Macaulay is asking, I got a card early in the game for a collision.
Are you alright? Are you alright? Okay.
Well, Zimmer just a bit too physical there. Didn't really change her angle or anything. Transfer, and Mullen effects the turnover. Good work from the shoulder. Upton loses the ball, but it's a stick check just in front of that. Word. It's not a relaxed bench just yet. It's just a 1-goal lead into the final 10 minutes. And the shoulder keeps it in. Finds the foot. Purdue. Kraus. Deverdeen. And Page. To shoulder. Not the perfect pass, but the most effective at that time. Right again. It does go alone, and Hamill says you can go only so far. Not to be mistaken for Alexandra Hamill over on the USA side. Slightly different spelling. One with an I and a double L. Eight minutes remain for USA to find a leveler. This is going against Hawkshaw. And it's a yellow card. 5 minutes yellow. And the penalty corner has been awarded Great chance for USA to find an equaliser here. Chance for USA. Oh, it opened up, it wasn't shot in, and Ireland get away with it. And when you watch this replay, how Adams wasn't able to find the back of the net there. Ball up. So Torrance picks it up and goes into the circle. Isolated though. Tries to go across, but it's cleared. Ireland, of course, with the player short. Their captain currently serving a short suspension. Not that short, it's a full 5 minutes. Plays it back. Haven't seen as much of her today. There's Neil back to tSile. Craoladh. Craoladh again here on the left. And stolen there by Kerry. That's inside one's a free kick. Free it. There is a card for USA. So the numerical advantage is eliminated. Of course, it's only a green for USA. So they will restore their full numbers, and Adams in the wars a bit today. And Scumback gets the green card. Katie Mullen drives it inside, but it's to no one. Caught a touch off an American stick. Yorkshire trying to keep her eyes out of the sun. No, that's not Mia Schoenbeck, that is Sarah Hawkshaw. Schoenbeck's on the other side, the other bench. Given for Ireland. Oh, some physicality there, and another card is being shown here. Just clarify, there is Mia Schoenbeck who's on a green card. Thanks to our graphics and production crew. But Ireland, of course, got a second green card there. So they beat it back. It's Katie Mullen who gets it. And McLaughlin tries to turn around Galini there. Wins the free hit. Katie Mullen and Hawkshaw. Clubmates, I think. If I'm correct, Railway Union. If I'm incorrect, apologies to whichever club they are a member of. Not intentional. There's a back shoulder. It's not quite last chance to lean just yet. There's a bit more space in the park with the suspensions currently being served. USA's green card has expired, and for about 30 seconds they will have a numerical advantage by 2. They're also pulling the keeper. Rizzo comes off for Rizzo for the extra outfield player. About a minute left of the yellow card and about 30 seconds left of the green. And then Hawkshaw and Mullen will return together. There's Rizzo. No keeper in. Well, it's either a great tactical or it's a frustrating one. So trying to create ball comes in and there's a chance and it's a penalty corner. Lovely first time touch. But there will be another referral here. I think the referral has been withdrawn because Ireland, of course, don't have theirs. They've lost their referral. Cannot refer. Here is... Well, they did hit on the knee, but the knee was next to the floor. Wasn't dangerous, so they would have lost their referral again there. USA now with a chance for the equaliser. Trapped in, it's deflected out off the defence. And O'Neill doing the work again there. Well, USA have 2 minutes. Can they fashion another chance? Can they create another entry? Can they create a moment? Can they find the equaliser? They're going to look for everything possible here. Driven off the left. Debradine goes inside. It's fired across. McFerrin beaten, but the dink across is off a target. Well, there was a little bit of a spark, a bit of a moment of magic there, but not finding the goal. Of course, back to a full 11. Well, Zimmer and Carey have had a very physical battle with one another this evening. It's late afternoon. And both of them will have some memories from it that they'll be able to tell their children and grandchildren one day. But it's been tough to pick a winner in that battle. Here goes Mullen, who shows her strength, keeps it in play, keeps the ball. I'm going to say contestable, then contests a little bit too physically. Final 30 seconds. If it's going to be, it's got to be right now. The ball's not stopped, and this could be danger. 20 seconds remain. USA need to move this ball quickly. Can they get one last chance? They go for the big heave-ho. Neil is there and will just run this down to the corner and waste as much time as possible. And they've done it again in a semi-final of the Nations Cup. Ireland concede first, but Ireland fight back and Ireland win 2-1. They're in a final for the second time in 12 months. Back-to-back finals. As Ireland put themselves in the contest, they put themselves up for a place in the FIH Hockey Nations Cup final. And as the title winners, they could earn themselves a place in the FIH Pro League. Sorry, the excitement just getting to me a little bit there. USA were very good, specifically in that first half, but Ireland just turned the screw. And at the end here, despite trailing 1-0 to Zimmer, Upton and Mullen find the goals to take Ireland through to the final. We'll have a look at the highlights. We'll have a look at moments, and of course we'll hear from our player of the match, Katie Mullen. There was a great chance early on, but the chance not taken on that occasion. You see here, that was such an important touch from Rizzo that just took it out of reach. And then a mistake from Hamill allowed Zimmer to march into the circle, firing a shot, and for the first time McFerrin heard the backboard of the goal hit in this tournament. 1-0 to USA. USA then trying to turn the screw, find a second, a deflection just over the top. They would find a leveler from a penalty stroke. It was a shot going in. It was a different one. And then the moment of magic. Mullen with the touch, Mullen with the move, Mullen with the sharpness. Lennon Neal with the pass, which is brilliant. And that little finish, yes, it came off of the foot of grass, but it was all about the way that Mullen received the ball. And there we get it full time. 7 penalty corners to 6. Neither side scoring from penalty corners. That has been a problem in this tournament for many teams. But Ireland getting what matters most. They got their goal. It took them to the win. Trailing 1-0, they win it 2-1.
Katie, congratulations, you are the player of the match for your team. Excellent performance in this Nation Cup. Well, the final wait for you.
Yeah, such a fantastic team performance today. It's the first time we've conceded in this competition. We went 1-0 down. We came back and won 2-1. It shows the character and strength within our group, and I think it sets us up really well for tomorrow. So yeah, just really proud of the girls, and we really enjoyed that one today.
Yeah, unbeaten. You won all the matches.
Yeah, it's been a good tournament, but we came here for one thing, and we go out now and we fight for that tomorrow, and just say hi to a very special Hannah at home.
Which team do you prefer in the final, Chile or New Zealand?
Yeah, I think we've played New Zealand, so we know a little bit about them, but to come out here and play in front of a fantastic atmosphere would be really special tomorrow. So either game, we're ready for it, and we'll watch the semi-final now attentively.
Thank you and very good luck.
Thank you.
Well, great to hear from Katie Mullen, who had a superb performance tonight. Her work rate off the ball immense, and of course making it count with that special goal. And that always matters. 5-4 for Japan, 2-0 for Scotland. They'll contest the 5th place. Ireland will fight for the Pro League place. Will it be Chile or New Zealand? A repeat of the 2024 bronze medal match up next as the final game of the day. And as you'll see in our next graphic, of course, it is semi-finals. We've had the 5-8. We know the 2 teams are going to fight for the bottom spot. Now we have the top 4 fighting for the FIH Pro League ticket. And Ireland earn it for the first time. Will Chile make their first Nations Cup final, or will New Zealand make their first Nations Cup final? We'll find out in 30 minutes' time. But for now, from us here in Santiago, Chile, thanks for joining us. As always, be back with us in 30 minutes. See you on the turf.
This match against with New Zealand's team.
Yes, we are super well. Really good atmosphere, really good condition, physical condition, really good mental part. So yeah, we are ready for this game.
Ireland is just qualified to the final.
Yes, of course. It's the wish of every team in this tournament. We have one step to get that, and we're going to do everything for have that possibility.
Thank you very much and very good luck.
Thank you very much.